How to fix Messenger not receiving calls or messages. If you're having this problem where you're not able to receive any calls or messages on Messenger, the first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Because if you don't have a stable connection, you won't be getting the calls or any messages. So just make sure that you have a stable connection. But even if you have a stable connection and you're still facing the issue, then in that case, you need to simply go ahead and long press on the app, go to app info, and force stop the app. Because sometimes if the app is running in the background, it might be causing a few glitches. So force stopping the app will completely stop its background activity. After doing so, make sure the call permissions are allowed here. So go to phone and allow the permission. The next step is to check if the servers are down for Messenger. So go ahead and open up your web browser and simply search for down detector. And once you search for down detector, you should be able to see Messenger. So if there are any server issues, you'll be able to find it here. Check if it's your only if only you're facing the issue or it's a problem for other people as well. So click on this, and if there are any down detected, it will show you right here. It will show you some reports, and that's pretty much it. After doing so, just restart your phone and you'll be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.